How to fix Honor Magic 7 Wi-Fi call drains the battery. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on mobile network. After clicking on mobile network, on top you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turning on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times, then go back to your main settings and then scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating the latest version, then go closer to your router. It will fix your problem. Thanks for watching this video.